Welcome back, everyone. What you're about to see isn't just misconduct. It's a shocking example of how authority can be abused when accountability disappears. This officer didn't just cross the line, she erased it. Fired, arrested, charged. But the real question is, was she acting alone? Or was something deeper going on? Watch closely, because by the end of this video, you'll have to decide for yourself who was truly worse. And remember, knowing your rights is the first step to protecting them.
Excuse me.
Yes, mate.
Is there any reason why you're photographing my car?
Yeah,
Why?
because I want to.
And what's your purpose?
I don't know which car's yours, mate, so...
Right? So why are you doing it? If you don't know why it is. It's private property, and you've got no reason to do it, have you?
Pardon?
It's private property, so you've got no reason to do it.
So?
Yeah?
What do you mean? I don't have a reason
What's
to do
your
it.
purpose?
What do you mean, what's my purpose?
What's your purpose for photographing my car?
Because I want to, mate. I feel like it.
Hey?
I feel like it.
Right? But what's your purpose of doing it?
Because I want to.
Right, okay then. Give us a reason for it.
I don't need to give you a reason. I don't know who you are.
Why don't you get yourself a proper job?
Right,
All
okay.
right.
That old chestnut, yeah.
Yes, get yourself a proper job.
Yeah, say something
like
that's
everybody else does.
just, why don't you come up with something original, you know? I've heard that about a million times. Come up with something original and then you might actually get somewhere.
Is it
But
for an immoral purpose that you're doing it?
there is a purpose for it, yeah.
Right, okay. So why are you hiding your face?
Pardon?
Why are you hiding
What's that got to do with filming anything?
So as I said before, get yourself a proper job, sir.
Again, do
Alright.
you know me?
Yes.
Do you know me? Have we met before?
No, we haven't.
So how do you know I've not got a job?
You would know me if we'd met before.
Oh,
Right?
oh is that
Get
a,
yourself
oh
a
yeah,
proper
big
job.
man like you, yeah.
But please.
Big man like you.
Please don't. Right?
Sorry, I don't take instructions from strangers. I don't know who you are.
Right.
I live my own life, pal. So I suggest you wind your neck in and go and do what you're doing. Bye.
Why are you getting offensive?
I'm not getting offensive.
Why you not?
You're coming up harassing me when I'm minding my own business. I never approached you. And I'm not asking you what you're doing with your life. I'm not getting personal with you. You were the one that started it, say go and get a job and all that.
Why are
What?
you raising the voice?
Because it's a free country and I can do whatever I want.
Alright, okay.
So why don't you wind your neck in and jog on?
Now you're getting offensive.
Yeah, yeah. To hurt your feelings.
Yes, it does actually.
Oh no! Oh, what a shame. Do
So,
you want a hug? You want a
You
cuddle?
learn to speak to people, alright, and be able to answer questions.
Well, maybe
without getting
I don't answer to you,
angry.
pal. Maybe you shouldn't go up harassing people that are minding their own business.
Well, what I was saying to you, alright?
Why don't you mind your own business? How about that?
Get yourself a job.
Exactly, getting personal. Who was getting personal first, pal?
Do it.
Yeah, see that feeling at the top of your spine? That is your neck getting wound in.
You're walking towards me.
Yeah, because I'm talking to you.
Yes.
Yeah, you started talking to me.
So why
And I'm not walking towards you, I'm walking down the pavement. I'm not going to walk onto the road.
I suggest you stop taking photographs of my car, alright?
What car's yours? What car's yours? 'Cause
I'm answering questions.
I'm gonna film it on the way out. I'll keep getting photographs of your car. We'll check its MOT history and its tax status and all that sort of stuff.
The video begins casually enough. A confident auditor arriving at Southwood Police Station, already hinting that yesterday's encounter was diabolical. That alone sets expectation, but things escalate faster than anyone anticipates. A man confronts him over photographing a vehicle, demanding reasons, ownership clarification, and even questioning his employment status. What starts as curiosity turns into ego. The phrase, "get yourself a proper job," becomes the spark that ignites the clash. The auditor doesn't retreat. He dismantles the insults calmly but sharply, flipping the pressure back onto the aggressor. What we're witnessing isn't just a disagreement over photography. It's a battle over control, pride, and who backs down first. And neither man intends to blink.
He come out thinking he's going to do the Billy Big bollocks, didn't work. You started it, pal. Well, maybe you should take a leaf out your own book. Remember when you were like, go and get a proper job? You know, like, yeah, take a leaf out your own book. Put your money where your mouth is, big man. Absolute melt. What's that, that car?
Why don't you do what us taxpayers do, alright?
I do pay tax.
Pay me benefits.
Again, come up with something original, pal. You know what I mean? Like, bye.
I don't mind, I'm not having this.
Bye.
Alright?
Bye. You're triggered by a mask, innit? Triggered by a mask. Big brave man, you're triggered by a mask.
Anybody ever told you the way you go?
You know, all the time. So I say, come up with something original. You absolute melt. See you later. Bye. You're not going to do nothing about it, mate. Just keep driving, keep it shut. You know what I mean? Just all talk. All waffle, and that's it. Get your seatbelt on. Get your seatbelt on, pal. You absolute melt. See you later. What an absolute joke. Has anybody ever told you you're a weirdo? I heard it yesterday. I heard it a couple of times yesterday. Anyway, I think this reception's empty. Is it empty? Yeah, it is. Let's go and have a wee get pictures. Oh, look at this. This tablet. Pardon? Yeah, you can tell me what the policing priorities are for Northumbria, please.
Yeah, you're not allowed to record it here, mate.
Yes, I can.
Sorry?
Yes, I can.
No, you're not.
Says who?
This is private property.
Right.
Yes, you're not allowed to record here.
Yeah, I can record on here.
You can't record here.
Of course I can.
Property.
Let me ask you something.
Yeah.
If I was allowed to record in your HQ
Yeah.
through Newcastle,
Yeah.
and I spoke to the duty inspector there,
You're not
right?
allowed to record here, it's private property, mate.
Right, well, I'm going to record on here, I'm afraid. Sorry.
Right, well, I'm going to speak, mate, so...
Alright, bye. You're very rude.
Yeah, very good.
Remember, you're a public servant, yeah? Just remember that. Could have used it as an excellent PR opportunity, but you want to act like a sausage, then that's up to you. Anyway, what was I doing? I was looking at this tablet. This tablet is erected by the members of the above force. I don't think the police up here are used to members of the public standing up for themselves, guys. I think some of them are completely shell-shocked, it seems. I don't know if it's just me, but they just seem shell-shocked that I'm standing up for myself and telling them no. Like, it's absolutely mental. Like, I mean, the police down south, they're very well frequented with it, and they'll only really sort of step in if I sort of take things or attempt to push things too far, you know. In their eyes, not in my eyes, but in their eyes, if I attempt to take things too far, cross their imaginary lines, then they'll sort of step in. But you know, I mean, like, especially not filming in a police reception, like, I'm a bit surprised that they're sort of taking the bait, so to speak. You know, like Northumbria Police seriously has a problem with accountability as far as I'm concerned. It's like that all day yesterday. Serious issues, and
Now the focus shifts inside the station, and the temperature rises. The auditor attempts to ask a simple question about policing priorities, but is immediately told he cannot record. The justification? Private property. The contradiction is obvious. Moments later, officers approach him outside, claiming he caused a nuisance and scared staff by calling someone a sausage. It sounds trivial, but the threat is not. Arrest is now on the table. The tone changes completely. Calm conversation becomes legal positioning. When told to leave or face detention, the auditor strategically complies, not out of fear, but calculation. The officers have said what he needed them to say, and in that moment, the power dynamic subtly shifts.
public parking. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, I got another car here there. seatbelt on. There he is. And the driver reverse back and put his seatbelt on. And see if they're what car they're going in.
You okay, mate?
Pardon?
Can we help you?
No, well, yeah, you can help me.
Okay. Mate, it's a private police station, alright. You're on
Okay.
private property at
Yeah.
the minute. You've been identified as going inside there causing a nuisance. You're scaring people, calling people sausages and that. They didn't appreciate it.
Who?
Alright, what's your name?
I don't give out my name.
You're not giving us a name. Is there anything we can do for you? Do you need help with the police station?
Yeah, I do. Like, I asked the guy at reception, and
What do you need, sir?
I wanted to find out what the policing priorities for Northumbria were.
Well, you can look online, have a look online. Have you got your phone?
No.
Well, you do.
What's
You're
that? What's that
recording
in
that?
uniform?
You're recording on there.
Oh,
Alright.
yeah.
So is there anything we can reasonably do, alright, to help you?
Pardon?
We're asking you to leave now. So
You're asking me to leave?
Yes. Are you going to leave?
And what happens if I don't
If
leave?
you're going to leave, you'll be arrested, alright?
Okay,
Causing
under
nuisance in a police station.
under threat of arrest, I'll leave.
Yes,
Okay.
you're going to leave?
Yeah, well, you're threatening
Are
me
you
with
gonna give me
arrest.
details or not?
No, I don't need to
Right,
get my
have a
arrest.
good day,
But can I
sir,
get you identified before I go, please? And your name, sorry?
Roberts.
And your name? And name and
3890.
If you come back, alright, causing a disturbance, right, you'll be arrested, alright? That's your warning. Alright.
under threat of arrest, I'm leaving.
Thank you
Okay.
very much, sir.
All right.
Have a good day, sir. See you later.
You'll see me in court. Yeah. I'll see you in court. Have a nice day. So, guys, I am going to leave because I'm not getting nicked. That's for sure. And I know a lot of you guys are going to be like, hey, why'd you leave? Why'd you leave? Because I've done what I needed them to do. They've said what I needed them to say. They've threatened me with arrest for coming in to use a public service. And yeah, so I'm going to stand up here. I'm okay up here, yeah?
Here's where it becomes unpredictable. After publicly announcing he's leaving, the auditor reveals something unexpected. He's going back in. The earlier threat of arrest didn't intimidate him. It tested him. Inside, nothing happens. No confrontation, no follow-through, and that silence speaks volumes. The warning of arrest suddenly feels hollow. By the time he exits for good, the narrative has changed. What began as confrontation ends as exposure. The officers drew a hard line, then failed to enforce it. The auditor frames it as accountability in action, promising court and formal complaints. Whether viewers agree with his methods or not, one thing is clear. This wasn't just about filming. It was about testing authority and watching how it reacts under pressure.
I'm on the pavement now. So I'll still be arrested by standing here. Right, so I'm getting threatened with arrest for standing here. Away from the police station. Absolutely unbelievable. Northumbria Police has some serious issues, ladies and gentlemen. Serious issues. Absolutely unreal. Unbelievable. This police force is beyond a joke. You know, I definitely think more and more people need to come here and put right this lot through their paces. They're threatening people with arrest for standing on the pavement. Oh, HNK is going to have a field day, ladies and gentlemen. This is the third place that I've been to in the space of less than 24 hours, sorry, just over 24 hours, where they've seriously crossed the line. Seriously. I am absolutely dumbfounded at how badly this police force is stacking up. Absolutely dumbfounded. So I guess there's nothing else for me to do except end the video, guys. I've been told if I go back I'll get nicked. If I stay outside the police station I'm going to get nicked. And I'm not going to get arrested. So I'm off. I'm going to move on to my next location. See if they're a little bit less sensitive to being called sausages. And to be fair, I didn't exactly say he was a sausage. I said he's acting like a sausage. So unbelievable, guys. Absolutely unbelievable. So well, what can I say? Just another one bites the dust for Northumbria police farce, because it's absolutely farcical what's going on. I didn't think this trip was going to go this way, but this is the third police station where it's went seriously wrong, serious issues. So I'm leaving it there. If you have enjoyed this video, please like it, feel free to share it. Don't forget to pop down, hit that subscribe button, hit that follow button if you're watching on Facebook, Instagram or TikTok. I would really appreciate it. You've been watching Laughing Auditor. I can only apologise for what's happened. I'm not taking the arrest. I know some of you say I should. That's up to you guys. You guys don't have to go through all the rigmarole. and they'll seize all my stuff. It's just not worth the hassle. It would write off this whole trip. So as I say, they've done what I need them to do. I'll see them in court, and I'll update you when there's something to update on. But crazy stuff.